Try not to laugh.
My kids do not have free access to social media. However, they really find humor in a lot of it. And so when I'm going through TikTok and I find something that I think the kids would be funny, I save it and I let them look at it. Well, I shared with them the tortilla challenge, the tortilla and water challenge. They thought it was funny, and so they want to do it with their friends today. Cody, do you know the rules to the challenge? Okay, these guys are here. We've got Hazley, we've got Miles, and Cody, why don't you tell us how the game works?
So you get like water in your mouth, and then you each get a tortilla to slap each other with, and you just try not to let the water come out of your mouth.
Yeah, so basically, if the water comes out of your mouth, you're out. And then you start over and you go around in a circle and you slap each other with a tortilla. Have you guys seen it? Yeah, okay. Oh, okay. Are we all cool with it? All right, let's gather our material, get a mouthful of water, and grab a tortilla.
Wait, are we gonna just do it right here?
I think we can come in here where there's a little bit more room. Okay, well, nobody can keep the water in their mouth before the game even starts, so I'm a little scared.
I'm nervous. It's hard not to swallow it. I'm gonna laugh.
Try not to laugh.
What if, oh no.
I feel nervous for you guys and I'm not even playing.
No.
So, okay.
I am target. I'm gonna hit plenty.
All right, get in a circle. Come stand in a circle and we will come here. We'll start with, who should start? I don't know. Okay, we'll start with Boston. Everyone's got their tortilla. All right, Bossy, you can slap whoever you want, and then we'll go in a circle to like Olivia, Hazley, and we'll go that way. All right, go ahead. It's your turn, Olivia. You get one swipe, so if you miss their face, you're done. Hold on. Oh.
I haven't even done it.
Cody, I missed it. Well, since everyone left, I guess these two are still in. Wait, I have a question. Does it hurt? Oh, then don't hurt each other. I think Miles is winning. Oh, Cody. Just don't hurt each other.
Boston and I laugh. Oh, it's like wrapping up. Oh, wait, you might not want to eat that.
Okay, we'll call it. Boston is reloading. So should we start the other way? Let's see. Maybe start with who? Okay, Miles, and you can go the... Oh, that was like a love tap. She's like, I don't want to hurt you. Wait, Hazley didn't go. Oh, Boston's out. He swallowed his water. Oh, the girls are being so nice. Oh! Miles is a savage. Oh, you missed. Oh, everyone is against my. Oh, Olivia. Okay, well, oh my gosh. While they finish their challenge, Hazley is out. This was a very fast and quick challenge. I thought it was hilarious. I don't know about you guys. We're gonna let them oh, maybe they're finished.
I was nice to Hazley.
Yes, you guys were very nice to each other.
It kind of hurt.
It really did
I'm
hurt.
trying to do a double smack with you too.
I know. I was
Yeah.
waiting for the triple slap where they got everyone in one fell swoop.
But barely.
All right.
These three all smacked me at the same round.
Yeah. That was very short-lived. It started raining like crazy and all the kids booked it outside. So if you guys enjoyed their video, if it made you smile, if it made you laugh, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up and we'll see you all in our next video. Bye guys. My kids would be fit.